we're gonna get into this outer upper part of your hip area, okay? So we feel that bone, we don't wanna grind on that. We wanna move up, and you'll feel another bone right in here. Just start to move around and just kind of feel, you feel muscles, then you feel this hard thing. This is a bone. This is your pelvis. So we wanna go right below that, all right? And so if it's too intense on the ground, this is where the wall is great. So I place it perpendicular. I'm placing one of the peaks on this upper part, and then the other one just right below it. And I'm just doing little movements, shifting forward, shifting back. I've picked up my leg off the ground. I'm using my outer leg to push in. Same thing, the closer my leg is, the less pressure. The further it's out, the more I can push this hip into this area. I'm just rotating my hips, okay? Now I'm just playing around, trying to find tender areas. I can shift it a little bit. I can rotate backwards, shift in little movements. Find a spot, now I'm gonna breathe. So I feel that area start to melt. I can start to then also move my leg. Let's see if I can find some more spots. Now let's just say that I found a spot right here. I'm gonna keep my leg here and breathe until it starts to melt, and then I'll shift to a new spot. Give that a go. See you in the next video.